My name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our stunning 2015 15 plate Mercedes GLA 220 AMG line with a premium package. It's also got the night package as well. We'll just run you through a few features. It has the front and rear parking sensors with the self parking and the rear parking cameras. It's got the night package on it, so it does have LED daytime running lights, LED indicators. It's also got the upgraded 19-inch alloys. We've had two brand new tyres fitted to the front. The car's covered 23,000 miles approximately of a full service history and serviced in the last 1,000 miles. It does have a few other nice extras looking in through the car. It does have the full command rather than the Becker sat nav. It's got the full HDD command. You've got a music jukebox, you've got Bluetooth phone preparation, a Bluetooth music streaming. It's also got electric folding mirrors. It's got the rear privacy glass as well. We're just looking down at the rear wheels. Car's just had its first MOT. All the alloy wheels are unmarked, and as I said earlier, it does have the front and rear parking sensors, and it is the 4MATIC model. It is the four-wheel drive automatic one. Looking absolutely stunning in the video, as you can see, in the Cosmos Black Metallic, and you can see the LED rear lights which are part of the night package on this. It does have the multi-function steering wheel with the paddle shift in for the automatic gearbox, has a Bluetooth music interface, and as I said earlier, it has a hard drive so you can copy music across from a supporting device onto the hard drive of the car and play music that way. It's got the black roof rails and the black window surrounds, and it has the half leather stroke Alcantara effect sport seats. I think I've already mentioned it does have the electric folding mirrors as well, and the car has just recently been serviced. We're just looking in there, and I think I've mentioned to you, it does have the full command satellite navigation, which is the high definition one as well. We're just going to move out of the car in a moment, and we'll move to the near side front. Just look at that wheel, unmarked as all of them. As I said, we've just fitted two new front tyres. This car is supplied with a comprehensive Platinum RAC warranty and 12 months RAC membership, which is free of charge as well. Just looking at the LED running lights with the Bi-Xenon headlights. Hopefully you can appreciate in the video what a gleaming example this is. Thank you very much for watching.